think the best thing about these HUUM heaters is the quality of heat and steam you get from them. Check this out. It's the latest and greatest HUUM Steel sauna heater, and today we'll go over everything you need to know about it. All right, let's unbox this bad boy and see what it's all about. Try and unbox it nicely. There we go. Oh, perfect. All right. Okay, put that. Whoa, it's a big boy. As tall as me. Right off the bat, the length is what surprises me. And I mean, definitely the size of it. I mean, it has like 300 pounds of stones you can fit in this bad boy. And the height of it's nice footprint. It's completely square, so it's easy to fit in many places. And I think just the quality of it, I mean, it's full metal. There's no plastic or anything like that, of course. And you see right there, take this sticker off, and there's HUUM, baby. With, of course, some protecting stickers there, but let's just ignore that for now. Put that back, so the guys at the factory don't get too mad at me. But oh no, yeah, great looking heater. Footprint's perfect, and let's get into the video. So yeah, as the name suggests, this heater is fully made out of stainless steel, like I mentioned. It's a big brother of the HUUM Cliff model, actually. So it's very similar, yet slightly bulkier in construction. So the Cliff is a little bit skinnier, and this is a little bit wider with a lot more stones in it. This heater is available in 4 different power ratings. The Steel suits small to medium home saunas, generally that have around 2 to 4 people in it. A full system, including the stones, control panel, and sensors, will set you back at around $4,000 to $6,000, and that of course depends on the exact configuration you go for. When sized correctly, these things can get a sauna up to 230 Fahrenheit, which in my opinion is way too hot, but hey, there's always some people out there that like it really hot. Let's talk about the steam. Steam is what separates the HUUM heaters from other sauna manufacturers out there. You throw water on the rocks, and the steam on these heaters give out is so soft and comforting that you never want to leave the sauna. Electric heaters work in a way that the heating elements inside the cage heat the rocks around them. The rocks then radiate the heat, of course, to the room itself, and then you'll feel that heat. Heaters that have a lot more rocks in them produce also more equal heat and steam. The only downside of having more rocks is that the more rocks you have, the longer it will take to heat them up, thus longer it takes for your sauna to heat up. But what we're talking about here is like a 15-minute difference at max, and that doesn't really matter thanks to the UCO control system. You can turn this sauna on by pressing the round button in your control panel, setting the target temperature, and then pressing again. Or alternatively, you have this app on your phone. You can press the button on your phone, set the target temperature, and boom, your sauna is on wherever you are in the world. My app here is connected to my personal sauna, so now my sauna is heating up in a completely different place, but hey, of course, now you should get the point. You can also control the lights or your ventilation system, if you happen to have one, through the control panel, and of course, if you want to, that's just completely up to you. That's pretty much all there is to the heater, so let's end the video here. Any questions, feel free to call us at 725-777-5484. One of our sauna experts, including me at the US office, will be more than happy to help you out with any questions you have about HUUM Steel.